What should I vlog about today? This one. Welcome back to the channel, Electric Fan. On today's quick vlog, we'll just talk about basically how we was able to get a black Super 73 S2. And if you're new to this channel, a little history of my experience with the black S2. We lost one just about exactly a year ago. We lost a Super 73 S2, the black version. It was stolen. Yada yada, long story. We were depressed. I was depressed for a while, for sure. Then I bought like a Super 73 S2 Hudson Blue version, and that was great. But something about the black is just really, the paint color has a shiny black, and something about it just really sticks to me. I like both colors, but I think I like the black version more. So I was finally able to trade with another person online. So we swapped. I paid a little more than I should, but at least this version is a V3 version. It's a newer Super 73 S2. This was bought like in September of 2021. So it's fairly new, and I did some stuff to it. I'll do a walkthrough as soon as I could get find a nice shaded area. Haven't installed my horn yet, but I've already done a few mods to it already. Let's stick around. Let's see if we can find a shaded area to do like a quick walkthrough. Super 73 has done a few changes from the batch 1 Super 73s, and aside the motor, they've done a few aesthetic changes for sure. Let me pull over and kind of talk about the changes that they made. It is Veterans Day, and I guess no one's around. School-wise, everything seems closed. All right, let's find some shade here because it's pretty warm. Alright, brakes are good. Everything is good. Let's turn on the headlights for fun. Alright, immediately I changed the seat because Super 73 S2 seats are no bueno. The stock seats, this RX seat is just, 1,000 times more comfortable. The few changes that they made in the 2021 models of Super 73 S2s are just some of the decals are a little bit on the gray side, probably reflective looking more. V3 motor, obviously, so just the thicker shell casing. The fender mounts, this is like the third variant that I've seen. Before it used to be just wire all throughout. Now there's actually a mount plate as well to hold this into place, I guess. And even the first batches doesn't even have this wire. It just mounts through here. Those are the few changes that I'm noticing. And the stickers are definitely different. It's like only 150 miles used, so technically it's brand new in my opinion. Obviously change the seat, but this thing, as you know me, I love my bikes with some kind of fairing. So I purchased this on eBay. It was about, I forgot already, like $20 to $30 only. It fits the S2 stock headlights pretty nicely, in my opinion. But that's how it looks. And I just did cable management, just to clean it up. And that's pretty much what I've done. Quick vlog, and added mirrors. I'll probably add a horn soon. But I love the S2 more than the RX, in my opinion. That's just obviously a preference, but this is like an inch lower. So for my height at 5'7", it just feels more comfortable than the RX. And the RX feels like it's a bike that's trying to be off-road, but you know, it's a scrambler body. It feels like it has a mixed, confused identity, the RX. I'll talk more about, you know, S2 versus an RX in depth, so stay tuned for that. After 1 year using both bikes, I'll provide my opinion. But yeah, this is our newly acquired black S2. Yes, sir. I just love how nimble this is, and I just like how the look of it, you know? Aesthetically, the S2 is a nicer looking bike than the RX, for me. And these are really made for pavements, so that's why even the RX, to be honest, like I said, I'll speak more in depth about that, S2 or RX, so stay tuned for more content. One thing I've noticed is with these 2021 S2 models, with the I don't know, the setup of it, I don't hear any more clanks when I'm going down like bumps or curbs. I don't hear any more on the chain ring. They fixed something, or probably with the fenders. I just don't hear, like, yeah, that's a pretty steep curb that I just dropped off, and I just don't hear those clanks that you normally hear on the first and second batches of the Super 73 S2s. So that's cool. There used to be a lot of clanking going on with the chain, I think. Oh yeah, and that's the other thing. There's no more chain tensioners, and that's probably why there's no more noise. So it seems like it's tight. The chain's probably just tight now. Tighter than the earlier batches. Yeah, buddy. Don't you just love empty parking lots? I have a sickness for these e-bikes, man. Instead of getting rid of some e-bikes, I find myself buying more and more. So addicting, I'm telling you, so addicting. But the black one, again, I was really attached to. We named it Balto. My first Super 73 S2 was a Galaxy Black, and we named it Balto. So in a way, it feels real nice to be reunited with a black Super 73 S2. Alright, I gotta go to work soon. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's quick vlog. Like and subscribe for more content, guys. Help out the channel. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super 73 or an Ariel rider. Or if you're more off-roady like I am, check out the Unirail link in the description below. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.